your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind.
What was I thinking?
And I'm not sorry. I'm so not sorry. It's human nature.
It's human nature.
No, I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you.
What was I thinking?
And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something true? Did I have a point of view? Did I say something wrong? Or did I stay too long? 'Cause I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
It's human nature.
It's human nature.
No, I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. Not your bitch. Not your bitch.
Britney, bitch.
Don't hang your shit on me.